Do you want to speak English faster and more fluently? Then let's start with something simple but powerful, your daily morning routine. Watch till the end and practice with me. Every morning starts with a fresh beginning, and I always try to begin my day in a positive way. I usually wake up around 6 o'clock, and the very first thing I do is open my eyes slowly and smile. Smiling in the morning gives me energy and a good mood for the whole day. After waking up, I stretch my hands and legs because stretching makes my body feel light and active. Sometimes, I listen to the birds singing outside my window. Their sound makes the morning feel peaceful and beautiful. Once I get out of bed, I fold my blanket neatly and arrange my pillow. Keeping my room clean in the morning gives me a sense of discipline and responsibility. After that, I walk to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I always brush for 2 minutes because it keeps my teeth healthy and my mouth fresh. While brushing, I look in the mirror and remind myself that today will be a good day. After brushing, I wash my face with cool water. The water makes me feel awake and energetic. Then, I take a quick shower. I like to use fresh soap because it makes me smell nice and feel clean. Taking a shower in the morning washes away my sleepiness and prepares me for the day ahead. After my shower, I wear clean and comfortable clothes. Dressing neatly always gives me confidence. Once I am ready, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water in the morning is very important because it helps my body stay hydrated. Sometimes I also drink warm water with lemon, which is good for health. After that, I move to the dining table for breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. I usually eat bread with butter, eggs, or sometimes rice with vegetables. On some days, I like to eat fruits such as bananas, apples, or papayas. Drinking a glass of milk or tea completes my breakfast. Eating breakfast gives me the energy to start my school or workday strongly. While eating breakfast, I often talk with my family. We share small things about the day, like what work needs to be done or what plans we have. Talking with family in the morning makes me feel loved and supported. Sometimes, I even laugh with my family members. Laughter in the morning creates happiness and sets a good tone for the rest of the day. After breakfast, I spend a few minutes reading the newspaper or checking my mobile phone. I quickly go through the main news headlines to stay updated. If I have time, I also read a small story or motivational quote. Reading in the morning improves my knowledge and inspires me. Sometimes, I practice English by reading simple sentences aloud. This habit helps me speak fluently. Next, I prepare my bag for school or work. I check my books, notebooks, pens, and any important items I need. Being prepared saves me from problems later in the day. After packing my bag, I look at my to-do list. I always like to plan my tasks for the day. Having a plan makes me more organized and reduces stress. Before leaving, I take a moment to pray or meditate. Even 2 minutes of silent meditation gives me peace and focus. It helps me start my day with a calm and clear mind. Sometimes, I also practice deep breathing. Inhale slowly, hold for a few seconds, and exhale gently. This makes me relaxed and ready to face challenges. When it is time to leave, I put on my shoes and take my bag. I say goodbye to my family with a smile. Walking out of the house, I feel motivated and confident. The morning sun is shining, the air is fresh, and everything looks bright. On the way, I greet my neighbors or friends if I see them. Saying good morning makes the atmosphere friendly. This is how my daily morning routine goes. Every small step, from waking up to leaving the house, is important. A good morning routine builds healthy habits, makes me disciplined, and improves my personality. It also gives me topics to practice speaking in English. When I talk about my morning routine, I use simple sentences like, I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. These sentences are short and easy, but with practice, I can say them faster and more fluently. Sometimes my routine changes a little. On holidays, I may wake up late, but I still follow most of the same steps. I brush, bathe, eat breakfast, read, and prepare myself. The only difference is that I have more time to relax. On working days, the routine is strict and quick. On holidays, it is calm and flexible. Both are important. Practicing my morning routine in English helps me improve my speaking skills. Every time I repeat it, my fluency increases. At first, I speak slowly, then a little faster, and finally, I try to speak quickly without stopping. This method improves my confidence and makes me a better speaker. So, my daily morning routine is simple but powerful. Waking up early, keeping clean, eating healthy, reading, planning, and starting the day positively are all good habits. If you also want to speak English fast and fluently, you can start by describing your own morning routine. Speak every day, practice every day, and you will see the difference. Now you've learned how to describe your morning routine in English. Keep practicing daily, and very soon you will speak English fast and fluently. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English practice videos. See you in the next lesson.